Now write down the summation fx. So summation fx is equal to minus 500 sine 30, then minus 300 cos 30. So we have to add this f1x, f2x, and f3x, and plus 400 cos 45. Okay. And the unknown force, its x component is f4x. Okay. So plus that f4 sine theta 4. Or you can directly write this f4x only. Then similarly write the ry, which is summation fy. So it is equal to minus 500 cos 30, then plus 300 sine 30 plus 400 sine 45 and plus f4, sorry, this is f4 cos theta 4 and f4 sine theta 4. Okay. Now we know the rx value and ry value. So this is rx and this is ry. Okay. So equate this equation. This is equal to 800 cos 50 and this complete equation is equal to minus 800 sine 50. Okay. So from this, you will get the value for f4 cos theta 4 and f4 sine theta 4. Okay. So just give me the answer for f4 cos theta 4 and f4 sine theta 4. The answer for some f4 cos theta 4, it is 741.19 and f4 sine theta 4, minus 612.66. Okay. Please check first answer. F4 cos theta 4 741.19. Okay, it is correct, 741.19, and second is minus 612.66. Okay. So if you observe these two components, f4 cos theta 4 and f4 sin theta 4. So these are the component of the unknown force f4. Okay. So originally we assume the f4, it lies in the first quadrant, and this was our assumption theta 4. Okay, so this is the x component, which is f4 cos theta 4, and this is y component, which is f4 sin theta 4. But from the calculation, we get f4 cos theta 4, it is equal to 719. Okay, and f4 sin theta 4, this is equal to minus 741 and minus 612. And this is minus 612. Okay, so this negative sign, it gives the direction for the y component for the force F4. So this is F4y and this is F4x. So our assumption is wrong, and actually the force F4, it is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so this is F4y and this is F4x. So this is the correct location for the force F4, which is the unknown force, and this is the angle theta 4. Okay, so this component, now it is 612 and this is equal to 741. Now we have to find out the angle of the force F4. So we can find out theta 4 as, we have the formula tan inverse. Now consider the y component, which is a 612, take the point, and this is 741. Okay, so find out this answer for theta 4. Do not consider the sign, okay, because from the sign, we have already located the quadrant, which is a fourth quadrant. So just consider the positive values in the formula tan inverse. So we will get this answer theta 4 with respect to positive x-axis. So find out this answer theta 4. So shift tan inverse, this is 612 divided by 741, approximately 40, 39.55. Okay, now you can show this force in the original diagram. So in this diagram, the position of the unknown fourth force. So this is the position. This is F4. This angle is theta 4, which is a 39 degree. Okay. So this is how you can solve this problem if the resultant is given and one of the forces unknown. Okay.